Outdoor clothing for sale at curlie. Chapter 1. Outdoor clothing for sale at curlie.org/en/shopping/recreation/outdoors. Subcategories at curlie.org/en/shopping/recreation/outdoors/clothing. Subcategories: footwear, boating, fishing, hunting, skiing. Related categories: business, consumer goods and services, clothing, sports, shopping, clothing, outerwear, shopping, sports apparel. Subcategories at curlie.org/en/shopping/clothing/outerwear. Subcategories: baby, footwear, workwear. Related categories: business, consumer goods and services, clothing, outerwear, shopping, recreation, outdoors, clothing, shopping, recreation, outdoors, hunting, clothing. Outdoor clothing websites: aigle.com, Aigle. Aigle offers a large range of clothing and footwear for outdoor activities, sailing, riding, travel, hunting and fishing. akgear.com, Apocalypse Design, manufactures and retails gear designed and constructed for Arctic climates, includes parkas, pants, bibs, and ski joring equipment. aquadesign.com, Aquadesign, offers a line of camouflage sporting apparel designed for fishing. bigpockets.com, Big Pockets, clothing and other field gear for birding, wildlife viewing, adventure travel and ecotourism. castlebergoutdoors.co.uk, Castleberg Outdoors, sells outdoor clothing, maps and books, ships to the United Kingdom, United States and Canada. coolbandanas.com, Horizon Industries, manufactures and sells bandanas and visors designed to keep the wearer cool. coolibar.com, Coolibar, sells UV, sun protective clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, sunglasses, hats and umbrellas. domsoutdoor.com, Dom's Outdoor Outfitters, clothing and accessories for outdoor recreation. eaglesportscenter.com, Eagle Sports Center, offers a variety of gear and apparel including boots, fly rods and reels, waders and snowshoes. filson.com, Filson, clothing for fishing, hunting and other outdoor activities. glacierglove.com, Glacier Glove, neoprene gloves, waders and socks for fly fishing, hunting, fishing, ice climbing and water sports. Polartec fleece gloves. gwidasupply.com, Guide Supply, a source for a complete system of heated jackets, vests and gloves. Hodgman.com, Hodgman, waders, wading shoes, boots, outerwear and underwear. Icebreakerinc.com, Icebreaker products, highlights cold weather products serving as shells for boot and hand coverings. kingofthemountain.com, King of the Mountain, cold weather camouflage apparel. melanzana.com, Melanzana, manufactures and retails fleece clothing for the outdoors from undergarments to outer layers. minus33.com, -33, offers outdoor clothing and accessories. mountainkhakis.com, Mountain Khakis, outdoor clothing for men, women, and children. northernoutfitters.com, Northern Outfitters, extreme cold weather clothing. northlandmarine.com, Northland Marine, featuring brand name athletic and outdoor clothing and footwear. noonattacusa.com, Noonattack, manufactures and retails handcrafted down outerwear and sleeping systems. outdoorandcountry.co.uk, Outdoor and Country, offers traditional jackets, knitwear, tweeds, trousers, luggage, and gifts. Worldwide shipping available. outdoors4u.cc/content, outdoors, retails footwear and clothing from a variety of manufacturers, including Timberland, North Face, and Patagonia. pennineoutdoor.co.uk, Pennine Outdoor Online, range of waterproof breathable fabrics, fleece, and accessories for making outdoor clothing. Regatta.com, Regatta, UK-based retailer of outdoor and leisure clothing for the family. rockyboots.com, Rocky shoes and boots, footwear and outerwear for the outdoors and outdoor activities. Rohan.co.uk, Rohan, UK-based own brand adventure, travel and performance clothing, plus travel accessories. Includes online sales and catalog request. RUoutside.com, RU Outside, uncommon sport gear including footwear, winter wear, sport supports, gloves and headwear, plus trail guides. Rhinoskin.com, Rhinoskin, lightweight underclothing designed to repel insects such as ticks, chiggers, fleas, and biting flies. Seasaltcornwall.co.uk, Seasalt, features catalog, brand descriptions, and store directory. ShannonOutdoors.com/bugtamer, Shannon Outdoors, double mesh insect protection clothing. Sheepworld.co.nz/swandri.htm, Swandri outdoor clothing, clothing designed for the farm, ranch, hunting, fishing, equestrian and tramping. SonomaOutfitters.com, Sonoma Outfitters, outdoor clothing and equipment. Sportif.com, Sportif USA, Inc. Subzero.co.uk, Sub-Zero Technology Ltd. Sungrubbies.com, Sungrubbies, featuring UV protective clothing for children through adults. Includes 30+ SPF shirts, and sunscreen. Techspun.com, Techspun wool boot socks, originally designed for the U.S. military for extreme weather conditions for Arctic expeditions to high-temperature tarmacs. TexasCoolVest.com, Texas Cool Vest, wearable personal cooling vest for anyone who experiences heat stress or simply wants to beat the heat. ThousandMile.com, Thousand Mile Outdoor Wear, offers catalog of clothing and accessories, with size charts, ordering information and retail locations. Timberland.com, Timberland, hiking boots, outdoor clothing, and products for active sports. Woolrick.com, Woolrick, collections of casual, sports and outerwear for men and women, from wool and cotton. Also, blankets, hunting garments and accessories. Online shopping. Link to extensive list of links to outdoor activity websites. YetiWorld.com, Yeti Design, provides online purchasing of sleeping bags and snow clothing, along with special offers announcements. Outerwear clothing websites. APPAREL-WORK-SECURITE58.ca, Securite58, offers Canadian-made work shoes and boots, coveralls, gloves, and work apparel. BKKEnterprises.com, BKK Enterprises, distributor of Arctic Shield cold weather gear. Provides selection of socks, boot insulators, and gloves. Includes product and dealer information and contact details. Blackfield.com, Blackfield Clothing, original Irish fleece clothing from this designer, manufacturer, and retailer. Also Hot Tots children's clothes and toys. Includes catalog, photos, FAQs, customer comments, and contact details. Chuckroast.com, Chuck Roast outerwear, Polartec fleece, and Glenoid Berber outerwear for kids and adults. Deanwear.co.uk, Deanwear outdoor clothing stockists, Acubra, R.M. Williams, White Stuff, Swandri, Porvair waterproof socks and gloves and coats, trousers, and boots. DeWeaversWovens.com, DeWeavers Wovens, men's and women's coats, jackets, sweaters, capes, vests and accessories in hand-woven wool and soft cotton chenille. Custom orders. Dryzaboneclothing.co.uk, Dryzabone Clothing, offers waterproof coats, hats, leggings, and wax clothing in children and adult sizes for next-day delivery. e-outdoor.co.uk, White and Bishop, outdoor clothing and equipment, online from the UK. Foothuggers.com, Foothuggers sock company, head, wrist, boot, and foot gaiters available to keep you warm. Frogtogs.com, Frogtogs, offers waterproof, breathable outerwear. GameSportswear.com, GAME. Sportswear, Ltd. GillClothing.co.uk, Gill Clothing, offers full range of Gill marine clothing. GrahamsOnline.co.uk, J. Graham & Co. Ibex.com, Ibex, Performance Outdoor Clothing. JohnsonWoolenMills.com, Johnson Woolen Mills, manufacturers of woolen outerwear for 150 years. Wool coats, jackets, pants, vests, blankets and accessories for outdoorsmen, women, and children. KakadooAustralia.com, Kakadoo, offering outerwear for men. Knutes.com, Newts USA, offers Polartec jackets, vest, gloves, and headbands. Outer layers of children's items have reflective tape. Koyono.com, Koyono, wallet for front pocket carrying, black coat outerwear and iPod-enabled clothing. Marbleheadoutfitters.com, Marblehead Outfitters, wide range of outdoor clothing offered online. Messingabout.com, The Design Works, online catalog offering boating shirts, tote bags, and accessories from the wind in the willows. Mossbrown.com, Moss Brown, outdoor and running gear direct from the factory. Musto.com, Musto, clothing that provides protection from the elements. Overland.com, Overland Sheepskin Company, providing sheepskin, leather, and fur outerwear. Oversizeoutfitters.com, Oversize Outfitters, Advantage, Mossy Oak, and Realtree patterned hunting clothes in sizes 3XL 8XL. Rainforest.com, Rainforest, men's cloth and leather outerwear. Rainsweater.com, The Rain Sweater Company, features a garment designed for protection from the rain. Rangerwear.com, Ranger Wear, clothing and sportwear for men, women, and children. RedRoverClothing.com, Red Rover Clothing, handmade fleece outerwear, hats, and blankets for all ages. RiversWest.com, Rivers West Apparel, waterproof fleece outerwear. RMConnection.com, Rocky Mountain Connection, offers named brand casual outdoor clothing and equipment. RoyalRobins.com, Royal Robins, Inc. Outdoor and travel clothing. ScottVest.com, Scott Vest, offers vest designed to let you carry and use electronic devices. SierraTradingPost.com, Sierra Trading Post, limited quantities, selection varies, bargain prices. Stewardsons.co.uk, Stewardsons, Barber Jackets, Eagle Wellingtons, and country clothing from Stewardsons Hawkshead Shop. Product details and photos. sun-togs.co.uk, Direct Offers Limited, featuring protective clothing and swimwear for the whole family. Includes UV protection items. Supplycompany.co.za, The Supply Company, offers a range of outdoor clothing and accessories. Surplusoutlet.net, Surplus Outlet, Carhartt work clothes, Columbia jackets, parkas, and snow pants, outerwear and boots. TEAM1NEWPORT.com, Team 1 Newport, carries foul weather clothing and other gear, including Henri Lloyd, Patagonia, and Douglas Gill. TheraInstore.tripod.com, The Rain Store, retailers of outdoor protective gear. Includes rain gear, boots, gloves, umbrellas, Gore-Tex, and work gear. TripleJSportswear.com, Triple J Sportswear, manufacturer and retailer of sun protective clothing. VillagesHop.com, Village Shop, features selection of shearling coats and vests, furs and similar accessories. Also provides information about showroom and sales policies. Workwearstore.com, The Workwear Store, outfitters for the outdoor worker. Embroidery and silk screening services. Offers Rocky, Carhartt, Lacrosse, Berkouwer and Red Ball.